Good afternoon, friends. This is 12:15, and I've got another list of stocks which will trend today by the end of the day on the basis of Ichimoku as well as MACD. The theory which has been already been explained in the earlier videos for identifying the trend, which we will just apply here to fix the trigger price, what is the entry price, what will be the entry price, and what will be the target behind it. So, first sharing you the list of the stock. 1 minute. This is the list: Canara Bank, Punjab National Bank, Apollo Hospital, Steel Authority of India Limited, Federal Bank, and Godrej Consumer Products. These are the list of the stock which is being scanned on the basis of Ichimoku as well as MACD. Both the indicators are taken into combination. Okay. So now we are entering into the chart one by one. First, we will see the Godrej Consumer Product. We will just identify the this is the chart of Godrej Consumer Product, and we will just apply the theory here to identify the trigger price as well as target. The signal, you can just see that Ichimoku has given the signal on 12:15 p.m. MACD has given the signal at around 13:45, that is 1:45 on 8th of September. And now we have to identify the trigger price. So because we have got the signal at around 2, by the signal, this signal is being generated by the MACD. So this is the candle. From here, we will move back 26 period and identify the trigger price, which is 1022. The target is very clear, that is 1029, 1038, and 1055 for the Godrej Consumer Product. Okay, dear friends, I will like to just convey you all that this video is for educational purpose and not for the trade. No trade should be taken on the basis of this analysis. It is only an example which I am just quoting here. How to fix up the trigger price, target, what are the indicators which is to be used to get the potential trend, or you can say the trending stock for the day, so that you can apply this theory on your own trading. So again come into the chart, that is now we will just go for the Canara Bank and Can Bank. See here, in case of Canara Bank, MACD, sorry, Ichimoku has given the crossover at around 10:30, MACD at around 10:45, and this is the candle of confirmation of trend. Stock is going to be bullish in near future. So from here we move back 26 period back and identified the highest price on which the stock has traded. So this was the candle which has been identified as the highest uh, price. Okay, so we have drawn the horizontal line which is the trigger price for the Canara Bank. Almost three attempts has been seen here. Means yes, first attempt here, second attempt here, third attempt yes. After third attempt, the stock was able to trade above 338. That is trigger price. And after this accumulation in this particular area, means 11:15 to 3:15, almost 4 hours yesterday, stock has accumulated at this level. Thereafter, we have got the breakout at around 342 today, and see the stock is moving upward. All the targets has been met, that is 343, 348 and 355. Okay. Now Punjab National Bank PN. PNB. MACD crossover was seen on 7th September at around 11 a.m. Sorry, and 11:15. Just after the its consecutive signal has been generated by both the indicators, that is in Ichimoku and MACD. Both has given the trade confirmation that stock is going to be bullish. So from here we have just this particular candle. We have gone 26 period back to identify the highest price where the stock has been in this period. So just measure 26 period back, 1 minute. This is going to be. So you can just see this is the highest candle during this period. So we have made the horizontal line from this level and fixed the trigger price. Okay. After generating the signal, the stock has traded reached this 6740, that is trigger line today. Thereafter, it is moving upward. The first target was 6770. Second target was 6855, and the third target is expected to be achieved by 1 or 2 days, that is 70. Okay. Now comes Apollo Hospital Enterprise Limited. Apollo Hospital. This confirmation is seen at around 10:45 by the Ichimoku indicator, where you can visualize the Tinkan-Sein crossover above Kinjun-Sein Sein clearly. That is around 10:45. From here we move back 26 period to identify the highest price where the stock has made. See what had happened here. This was the candle. So we have drawn one horizontal line, that is 578.40. Whenever the stock will beat this line, we will enter into the trade, or this is the trade confirmation where one should enter. The target is very clear, that is 5113 and 5225, which may take around 7 to 10 days to achieve the second target. Now comes Steel Authority of India Limited. Say, here the base indicator which we are using, that is Ichimoku and MACD. Steel Authority of India Limited. See, MACD has given the signal at around 2 p.m. on 8th of September. Ichimoku has not given the signal. Ichimoku has given the signal on 11th, that is today, at around 9:50 a.m. So from this candle we will move back 26. We'll move back 26 period back. Okay. So this is the candle. The high of this candle is, no, we are concerned about the opening here. 100 rupees 5 paisa. So 100, we have drawn the 100 rupees 5 paisa as a trigger line. Whenever the stock is traded above this line, we will enter into the trade. The target is clear, that is 100.65 first target. Second target is 102.30 and The last target is 105.15. Now Federal Bank. The last one is Federal Bank. See, the basic cheat, what I'm just going to tell here, that the gap is increasing between Tinkershell and Bindu. That means that the buying is strength is reducing. So at this stage, one should not enter into this stock. Though technically the entry price is 149.10, one should enter above 149.10, and when the stock comes down from this level, one should exit, because first of all, this is the because the gap between Tinkershell and Tinkershell is quite high. The gap should not be more than this while entering. This point should be noted down. Okay. But as far as signal confirmation is there, we can just see in the case of Federal Bank, 10:30, around 10:30 and 10:45. Both the indicators has given the trade confirmation pertaining to this bullishness in this stock. And from here, if we move back 26 period back to identify the high, this is the candle. So above 145, one should enter into the trade. It has breached at around 10:45 on 7th of September. Thereafter, it has gone for to achieve the second target. First target was just above 145, that is 145.45. Second target was 147.10. It has achieved. Thereafter, it will face again Okay, and second opportunity to trade was given by the Ichimoku indicator on 8th of September 11:30 a.m. This was the candle, just you see 11:30 candle. From here we will move back 26 period back. That is nothing, that is only the previous day high will come. So, but we will just check what had happened. We are just going to the story 26 period back. See, this was the candle identified, and the high in this particular duration, you are just seeing that it is 146.70. Okay, so this was the trigger line now, and after reaching this line, you can just see the stock which has achieved the first target. Thereafter, it is retracing. May come down to this level 147.95 or even 146.70. So wait for the retracement. After getting the another trade confirmation from the MACD or SuperTrend, Ichimoku, one should enter into this trade. So friends, again I have quoted you the live example, not live example, today's stock, how it is behaving. You can apply on the live stocks, what you are having there. Thank you very much. If you need any help or query, just contact me. I will clear it at the earliest.